Searching for more listeners. Learn how to categorize your podcast episodes with Buzzsprout tags to get found by the right audience every time. First, log into your Buzzsprout account and navigate to the Episodes tab. This is where you'll manage and upload all your episodes. Now, select an episode you want to tag. Click on the episode's title or the edit button to view its details. Scroll down until you find the tags section. Here's where the magic happens. In the tags field, type in relevant keywords or phrases that describe your episode's content. Think about what someone would search for to find this episode. Examples could be the topics discussed, guest names, or episode format. As you type, separate each tag with a comma. For example, you might enter podcast interview with John Doe, marketing tips. Once you've added all your tags, don't forget to save the changes. And that's it. Your episode is now tagged. Tagging helps improve your podcast's discoverability within Buzzsprout for your listeners, and also helps search engines index your show. This helps new listeners find your content by searching for relevant topics. Now go forth, organize, and enjoy those new listeners.